In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your VPN is connected on your iPhone, but the internet just doesn't work. It's a really common problem, and by the end of this video, you'll have it working again. Before we begin, if you're tired of free VPNs that randomly disconnect or slow down your connection, I recommend checking out the link in the description to try NordVPN. It's one of the best options right now, super fast, stable, and works flawlessly for streaming, gaming, or browsing. Alright, let's get started. So, if your VPN is showing as connected, but no website or app is loading, here's what you should do first. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the Control Center. Near your Wi-Fi icon, you'll see a small VPN badge that means your device thinks it's connected. But sometimes, it's stuck or half connected. To test this, open Safari or Chrome and try loading something simple like YouTube or Google. If nothing opens, go to your iPhone's main Settings, scroll down, and tap on VPN. You'll see the toggle for your VPN connection, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. This refresh often reestablishes a proper connection and fixes small bugs instantly. If the issue stays, open your VPN app directly. Many VPNs let you pick a different server or region. Try switching from your current location, for example. If you're connected to a US server, pick another like Canada or Germany. Sometimes specific servers are overloaded or temporarily down, so switching usually helps get your connection back. Still not working? No worries. Let's move to the next fix. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to find VPN and Device Management. Tap on that, and you'll see all VPN profiles installed on your iPhone. Choose the active one, and if it looks outdated or you're unsure, tap Delete VPN at the bottom. Don't worry, deleting it won't harm your phone. It just removes the faulty configuration. Once deleted, open your VPN app again, and it'll ask you to set up the VPN configuration once more. Tap Allow, enter your passcode, and reconnect. This gives you a clean, fresh VPN setup, which usually fixes any background configuration errors. If you're still not able to connect to the internet even after doing this, simply restart your iPhone, power it off completely, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. A reboot clears small network or system glitches that could be blocking your VPN's connection to the internet. And finally, if you've tried everything and the issue still continues, it might just be the VPN provider's fault. Try installing another VPN from the App Store, for example, to NordVPN. That's it. Now your VPN should be working properly with internet access on your iPhone. But if you want to save yourself from these constant connection errors, I seriously recommend switching to NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and works perfectly every time. The link to get it at a great price is in the description. Go check it out.